Hello friends, today we are going to discuss project scheduling and planning tools. As we already know that what is scheduling it is the process we have to timely complete the project or deliverables of a client or customer on time. You have to satisfy the customer's requirement on time. Okay, now next one is there are different techniques and tools which are available. With the help of that we can complete customers requirements on time. Now first one is work breakdown structure. In project management and system engineering, it is a deliverable and oriented decomposition of a project into smaller components. In other words, we can say that divide a complex problem into sub-complex problem. That's why a project team members or team leaders can easily understood the complex problem. A work breakdown structure implement may be a product, data, a service, or any combination. A work breakdown structure also provides the necessary framework for detailed cost estimating and control, along with providing guidance for schedule development and control. Yes, this is the figure or structure of a project work breakdowns tool. Here, main project is divided into two tasks, task one and task two. Although now next one is that task one is also divided into different subtasks, and task two is also divided into different subtasks. Next one is again subtask is divided into different work packages. That's why a complex problem is easily understood by the project team members, and the project will be completed on time. This is another example of a work breakdown structure. Work breakdown structure help manager. How it will help to manager or project team leader. It helps in development of the organization. Breakdown structure which assign project responsibility to organization units and individuals. It helps managers plan, schedule and budget. It defines communication channels and assist in coordinating the various project channels. Now next, what are the purpose of a work breakdown structure? There are three reasons to use a work breakdown structure in your project. First is that it helps more accurately and specifically define and organize the scope of the total project. It easily defines the scope of a project. Reason is that it is useful for in your project is to help with assigning responsibilities, resource allocation, monitoring the project and controlling the project. Easily monitor and control the resources, resource leveling and allocation. Next, finally, it allows you to double check all the deliverables specific with the stakeholders and make sure there is nothing missing or overlapping. Last, following are few reasons for creating a WBS, that is work breakdown structure in a project. Accurate and readable project organization, accurate assignment of responsibility to the project team. It indicates the project milestone and control points. It helps to estimate the cost and time and risk. It illustrates the project scope so that stakeholders can have a better understanding of the same. So this is for work breakdown structure. Work breakdown structure, it is a techniques with the help of that we can easily understood the concept or complex problem to sub complex problem. Thank you.